There are a number of different natural and man-made allergens that can trigger wheezing and asthma attacks. Pollen from trees and plants that you inhale is one of the most common and difficult to avoid when you're outside. The most problematic indoor allergen is dust mites. These microscopic white insects eat the dead skin cells we humans shed. These skin cells build up in carpet, upholstery, and bedding, and sure enough, that's where the mites will be. Bronchoconstriction is triggered when microscopic parts of mite skeletons and mite fecal droppings are inhaled.